Becky. Welcome back to my channel. I have another grocery haul for you guys. You seemed to like last week, so I thought I would do it again this week. Kroger is still doing the 5 times organic sale, so as you see, I got 5 more milks. I know you guys are gonna call us the crazy milk people. Normally I get 3 to 4 gallons a week, but when you can get up to 5 items with the Kroger 5 times sale, and if you buy organic milk, you know that's a really good sale because normally it's around $6 a gallon. And I believe it makes it more around 4 or something with the sale. So I got 5 more gallons. I've still got 1.5 gallons left from last week, but it really won't take us very long to go through that. So I got 5 more gallons of milk. Everything else is kind of a little bit less than usual. I hardly got any meat just because I've got some things in the freezer that we're going to be eating that are leftovers. So I didn't need a whole lot this week, which is why there's not much here. But I did get 2 packages of the organic hamburger, 1 to freeze, and 1 we're going to use for taco soup next week. So I got 2 packages of that. I got 3 organic tomatoes, some organic red grapes, organic bananas. I'm going to try this natural pudding. It doesn't say that it's GMO free, but it doesn't have like artificial stuff supposedly. So I'm hoping that means it's GMO free, but it's probably not. It's gluten free, doesn't have preservatives or high fructose corn syrup, so I picked that up. You know my guilty brownies that we have every weekend. The girls do not eat these anymore, but my husband and I do, so I picked up those. My mom is coming over one night to watch a movie, and she's not supposed to have gluten, so I'm going to try these gluten-free chocolate chunk cookies. I've never had them before, so hopefully they're good. I got a pack of bacon. It's not organic, but it is nitrate and nitrite free, which is what I look for when I'm getting any type of bacon or pork or lunch meat. So I picked up that. It's the Oscar Mayer Naturals. I got the Yasso frozen Greek yogurt. The girls picked out this flavor. We got the chocolate ones last week and they're really good, or week before last, I guess it was. They're really good. They wanted this flavor, so this is the one we got this week. Also, I got 2 boxes of their favorite granola, the Nature's Path pumpkin seed and flax granola. I don't eat it, but they do and they love it, so I got 2 boxes of that. I got a pulp-free Simple Truth organic orange juice, and then the white corn tortilla chips are to go with the taco soup. I got 2 more boxes of their favorite fruit snacks. These are the Annie's Bunny fruit snacks. I got Berry Patch and Tropical Treat. They're still on sale, and there's like a coupon, an e-coupon on these. So I got 2 boxes of that, which makes them a really good price. And then again with the 5 times sale, they were $1 a piece, and then you got 35% or 35 cents off each can with the e-coupon up to 5 cans. So I got 2 black beans, 2 pinto beans, which we use in the taco soup, and then chili beans, which we also use in the taco soup. I got a jar of the Simple Truth organic marinara pasta sauce, another thing of the Parmesan cheese because we go through it quite quickly. And then the bread was also part of the 5 times organic sale, so I got 2 more loaves of the Simple Truth organic white bread that I'll put in the freezer so they'll stay good longer. But that is everything I got from the grocery this week. Like I said, I didn't have to get much meat at all because we're having a leftover chicken meal one night. We're having rice and soup one night. So some of them are stock up items, and then some of them are just new things we're trying, like this new flavor of those, and then the gluten-free cookies. So I hope you guys enjoyed this grocery haul this week. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up so I'll know to do more in the future. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you want to see 2 of my older videos, you can click the links right here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, and you definitely should, you can click right here. I upload every single week. I have some links in the description box for some of my favorite stores and products, as well as my P.O. Box address. Check out those links if you're interested in those, and I will see you guys in the next video.